What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Tony, and today I just want to make a quick simple video on basically what's going to be inside of my camera bag, I guess my work bag for this year. And I mean, I guess you can call it like a creator bag tour, I guess, or something like that. But yeah, I just want to show you guys what I will be using as far as like gears and tools and and whatnot. And yeah, let's jump right into it. All right, so first thing first, which is obviously my camera, the R5. I've had the R5 for like I guess I would say a year now, and it's been like I love that camera. Like I love this camera. I have a Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Pro 6K also. If you guys can see, it's like right there, sitting right there. So those are the two cameras that I currently own. But I find myself using the R5 more, and it's been it works for me, and it's perfect. I've shot mostly all my projects last year with the R5, and it's just an easier camera to use. All right, so next thing, which will be my 18 to 35, which let me show you guys first. I bought this with the Blackmagic. I still need to get a RF lens. I love this lens. This is a nice piece of glass. It's very clean, very crispy. So yeah, love using this lens. All right, next item will be my nifty 50 millimeter. Love using this lens as well. I don't use it as much as I use the 18-35, but yeah, I still enjoy using this lens. All right, so my next item would be my Atomos Ninja V, which I use from time to time whenever I have my rig set up. Next will be my Rode shotgun mic. I have it in my bag just in case, but I don't see myself like using it that much, only because like the content and the work that I create, I don't usually like use the audio. And when I do use the audio, like the audio that comes like straight from the R5 is good enough to use. So yeah. All right, so next thing will be I don't know what brand is this, but it's a KNF Concept. That's the brand, but it's a like a hazy filter, kind of like a Pro Mist. But yeah, I have this in my bag. I use it from time to time as well. So let me show you guys what it looks like with the filter, without the filter, with the filter, without the filter, with the filter. You guys see the light right there? How it has like a soft, kind of like a soft softness around it. But yeah, hazy filter, Pro Mist filter, whatever. This will be my bag. All right, next item will be an ND filter. This one's pretty self-explanatory, but I'm not gonna talk much about this, but I'm pretty sure every content creator, filmmaker, videographer knows about this piece. But yeah, ND filter, obviously, yeah, so ND filter. Next, I will be keeping extra storage SSD drives with me for extra space, because nowadays like these files that are coming from these cameras are like super freaking massive. So I'll be keeping 2 sets of extra storage batteries here. This is a it's by Creator FX. That's the brand, but it's like a fake anamorphic lens filter effect type of filter. So I've used it like 3 times, but yeah, it'll just stay in my bag just in case. I don't know. You guys can see the lines. I don't know if you guys can see the lines, but yeah. All right, next item will be my wireless audio mic, which is Ceremonic, which is what I'm currently using right now. If you you guys can see. But yeah, I love this mic. I use this mic almost all the time, and it comes with like, it's like 2 transmitters and a receiver, and yeah, wireless mic. So I don't usually shoot stills that much, but when I do, and I'm like in a very dim, dark environment, I have like a pocket size speed light in my bag, just in case I need to use it, for whatever reason. But I found this one on where I found it online. I think it was OfferUp, I'm not sure. But yeah, and this is the name of it. I think it's 270EX2 Mark II. But I like this little tool right here. I like this little speed light right here. It's very pocket size. I'm not a fan of like that full size speed light, like you guys know what I'm talking about. But I'm not a big fan of that. So alright, and then obviously if you are rigging up your camera, you gotta have an hex key or Allen wrench, hex key, whatever it is. But I keep that thing on me. I keep it in the bag. And then the next one is, so I recently got my hands on a film camera, which is, this one is called the brand is called Minolta. And I guess it's a talker, so environment. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but well, hold on. But yeah, got my hands on this camera a couple of months ago, and yeah, I want to get more into like film photography this year. So got my hands on the film camera, and we'll see how that goes. And can't forget about the AirPods. I'm thinking about getting an AirPod Max though, but yeah, because I really want those. They look cooler. But yeah. Oh, and also, so I recently bought the Nenlight Forza 60. Is it 60C or 60B? I think it's 60C, I believe. Yeah. But which I'm currently using right now. If you guys can see it, like the whole window like GoPro thingy. But yeah, I'm planning on doing like a shoot with it pretty soon, and I might make I will make like a YouTube review on it. So, but yeah, drop a comment below if you guys want me to make a review on there. I mean, I know there's plenty reviews already on YouTube, but I'm gonna make my own. But I did a shoot with it one time, but it was I'm gonna do another shoot again with it. But yeah, I like that. Yeah, and that's it, guys. So I just wanted to show you guys like what I'll be using in my bag this year and whatnot. And that's it. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, drop a comment below, subscribe, and all that. See you guys in the next video. Peace.